True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in Santa Cruz after Hurricane Melissa, man. Santa Cruz now is one of the busiest towns in St. Elizabeth. I'm telling some people, a lot of traffic now, man, in a Santa Cruz town. From 10 o'clock, you see a lot of traffic in Santa Cruz town. But I'm on the back road. Yeah, man, I'm on the bypass. Yeah, we are on the bypass around the fire station area. So that's where I'm at. Giving a tour of Santa Cruz. And today is the 29th of December, guys. Yeah, man, the 29th. Everybody will come over to them shopping before New Year. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. If you learned something about St. Elizabeth in the Santa Cruz town area, guys, leave in the comment section, you know. So yes, some people so they can indicate where you're watching from. I think this is Demetrius. This is a seafood restaurant. Yeah, man, you can get your daily seafood right here. You see the contact number is 417-3802. Seafood Daily. Yeah, man. All the seafood lovers, them the seafood boil, need to check out the Demetrius, you know. See, I can't thief a blind now, you know. Yeah, man, you talk about traffic. Traffic, my people in that town, look on the KFC line. Yeah, man, the KFC line full. Sometimes a lot of people get mistakenly with the KFC line right here. Some people park in the line how long and feel like say them in a traffic too, you know, but at the KFC line at times, and look at the time of the morning, it is now 12:50, lunchtime. Okay, so you see the KFC line is very long. Yeah, man, a lot of people coming out from all over. Yeah, man, our life rough, we still a celebrate, you know. I know things is just way off, you know. So who knows that Santa Cruz town is one of the hottest towns in Jamaica? So I'm just giving an update. Showing what go on. Yeah man, see a lot of police in the town. Make sure you wear no seatbelt enough and I get all heap of ticket. So it's not too bad today with the traffic, guys. But me I tell you, say, if you not travel here, so I tell you, say, in the daytime, morning time, traffic for kill. Yes, my people, big up on yourself. Anyone who watch from here and abroad, you can big up on yourself. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. Yeah, man. Well, thanks a lot, and just want to wish you a happy new year. Yeah, man. Wish you a happy new year when it arrives. Yeah, man. Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. Your #1 tour guide. Yeah, man. Give you all the tours in St.Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Manchester, guys. Oh, no right turn. Whoa. See, we have no right turn right there. Yeah, sometimes you have to read it, though. If you read and so I go on. If you love St. Elizabeth, leave something in the comment section and say, yeah, I'm watching. And leave your location where you're watching from. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.